Hi guys, it's a total different video on my channel. I just want to help you little. For this crucial circumstances, I just share with you how you make a homemade sanitizer in just 20 rupees. First, I cut few aloe vera from my little garden. It will good for your skin. To make this, you just need aloe vera, a bottle of 50 ml saffron or Dettol, whatever you have, few drops of lemon and a spray bottle. So I first cut the aloe vera. Nowadays hand sanitizer is not available in the market. Which are available, those are so much expensive, so you can make this homemade sanitizer at your home very easily. Now scrape out the aloe vera gel and put it in a bowl. Now take them in a blender jar and blend it. Now take the blended aloe vera in a bowl. Add 50 ml of saffron into this bowl. Now I am adding few drops of lemon juice to add fresh smell. Mixing it well. And now pour it into the spray bottle. And sanitizer is ready. In this situation, please stay at your home and don't go outside and don't panic. If this video is really helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Stay safe. Bye.